Have you ever tried it in a roti form? Let's make it today. Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Tips Home Life. My name is Deepa and hope you all doing well. So let's start. This recipe is so easy to make. For this you will need purpose flour or any flour, whatever you use to make roti, grated beetroot, oil, ajwain and salt. That's it. Now you have to make like roti dough and make roti. Enjoy this delicious roti with curd or any curry. Hope you like it. Read subtitles for detailed recipe. If you like to watch more recipe, please subscribe my channel. Much appreciate. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Bye. Annyeong. I forget to mention red chili powder, sorry. And please follow the recipe as you can see.